Yeah, so this man is still fair, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, yeah. And at that time, you see that man who is body and maybe I work and sleep with some women or he has big stomach and sleep with some women or something like that. Man, at that moment, yeah, man, you see that woman you slept with, yeah, she probably did that because if the man's marital life, yeah, is just gonna go downhill like that. And imagine having to lose a woman that you spend like years with, you build love like so high. Then you go and do some nonsense like that. Then the woman will leave him. You know what I'm saying? Like she will leave him. You that you are big fat tummy with body head. If that woman leave you, you're finished. No other woman will like you anymore. You know what I'm saying? Because you're stupid. Even the one that she sleep with here, you will not even like him anymore. Because it's like, this woman here, it's like somehow they know that their men are cheating. I don't know how. They know that their men are not serious or cheating something. They know if the man is not satisfied with something. A woman can know. I don't know. I don't know how, but they can know that the man is not even satisfied by getting. So it's kind of weird. It's weird, but at the same time, it's kind of good. So let me tell you about the one, that, like I said, the two people that actually test the man, okay, the partner, the maybe destined partner, and the woman outside, okay, the testing. Yeah, that the ones outside here, to be honest with you, the ones outside, I think they're spiritually powerful, like they're spiritually powerful women, the ones that God has given gifts to actually test men, for some immoral sick behavior, you know what I'm saying? They to test men for their immoral sick behavior, that's just the mission. Like they are evil witches or they're bad women or something. So, they are not bad, like, they're just like, they must test those men, for that sick behavior. They must test them. Some men are grown, and there will be consequences for them when they test them. You know what I'm saying? Because these women are powerful. They're like powerful here. That's why you see some pastors they fail. They fail. Their churches go downhill and stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? The churches go downhill. Now I'm gonna get there. Don't worry. You see, as part of this test, they'll test them. They will give them consequences accordingly. You know what I'm saying? So as part of the testing, let me tell you how some of these women actually test some of these immoral, bad men, like men with bad behaviors, like, you know what I'm saying? You see, a woman may see a man who is actually married, okay, and wanting to have an affair with her, okay, or I don't know, maybe have intercourse with her or something like that. Like, no, automatically, women cannot get a man unless, say, spiritual woman cannot really get a man unless he has committed some bad things. He has done some bad things against God, and even God will not help him because the test he has failed. God will not help him because he's a sick man. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, so as I was saying, the man may know, and some men here may know that some women are even married or not, like, but they still want to do some awful things there because somehow women knows if a man is actually a killer. And I don't know, in many cases, that some they may misread it or not, like, oh, think maybe he's married but he's not, or maybe he's not married and he thinks he's married or something. They may misread it, but they sort of know if the man is married or not. The man, say the one that wants to cheat, the man that wants to cheat, okay, cheat, okay. He will give the woman this look like, you know what I'm saying, yo, yeah, baby, what's up, When he gives the woman the look, okay, in her mind, in the woman's mind, she's thinking, oh, do you know that I'm spiritually powerful? Are you seriously wanting to do this? She'll be like, are you seriously wanting to do this? Okay, don't worry. She'll be thinking to herself, come and do it. Come and try it. I know for sure this is what you do everywhere. People with other women around, and when you have a partner, I will show you. She will say, I will show you. I dare you. I dare you. Come and try it. The woman who are spiritually powerful will say, come and try it. She will say that. She will say, come and try it. She won't say it, but she will be looking at him. Come. I dare you. Come, G. Come, G. She will get him back. Now what? Now listen. In a lot of cases here, this woman here, in a lot of cases, this woman will not even approach this man first. Nah, they will not even approach this man first. They won't test this man first. They won't approach them first. They won't call them first. Yeah, to check if truly they really want to go, through with it. You know what I'm saying? Because you're married and you're giving me this sign. Are you sure you really want to go through this? Because there's consequences. You know what I'm saying? The spiritual women will not text for, they will not do anything. They will know that, yes, there's consequences. I'm not sure you know that because some men cannot sense it spiritually. Like the spirit is like, you know, it's thinking of benefit for you. Because